Okay, good morning, Cuxton. Now, I know I've got a couple of classes missing today. We've got a lot going on in school. So some Year 1 classes are going on a walk with KCC. We've got Year 6s recording their production and so on. So we're not going to wait. We're going to get started. So we're going to start in the early years. My first certificate goes to Harry S. for amazing reading progress. Keep it up, Harry. Well done to Myla for demonstrating excellence in her learning and always challenging herself. A wonderful achievement, Myla. A big well done to Roxanne for amazing writing of the new cluster blends. Keep it up, Roxanne. And well done to Lily D for upholding the value of resilience in all areas of her learning. Lovely to hear, Lily, that you are being a resilient learner. Let's give early years a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, off to Year 1. So we have a certificate here for Joey for his excellent effort and perseverance in the bleep test in PE. And you'll hear a lot about the bleep test in a minute, but well done to Joey. Congratulations to Millie for her excellence in her English work, upholding one of our school values, Millie. Well done to Sophie G for excellence in writing. She challenged herself to use expanded noun phrases. Congratulations, Sophie. And well done to Daisy AD for showing the community value by always helping others with their learning. Well done to Daisy. Keep it up. Let's give Year 1 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 1. Off to Year 2 now. So we have a certificate here for Farrow for being a supportive classmate in maths. Well done to Farrow. And we have a certificate here for the whole of Beach class for being adventurous, trying a new app and being engaged in their learning. And I saw some wonderful photos last week of Beach class using the iPads and thoroughly enjoying themselves and clearly upholding our adventure value. Well done to Beach class. And well done to Shamri for supporting others and showing our value of community. We've got lots of thoughtful children this week, which is just wonderful. And a big well done to Jensen for showing courage and resilience when performing to an audience. Well done, Jensen. Let's give Year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 2. Okay, off to Year 3. So a big well done to Poppy J for involving all children in their group tasks and clearly demonstrating the community value. Keep it up, Poppy. Well done to Bobby, who's showing excellence and our community value for encouraging his peers in PE to achieve their best. Oh, that's such a lovely characteristic, Bobby. Thank you. Henry F is showing the adventure value for showing a sense of fun on World Music Day with fantastic dancing and singing. So this time last week, our children were engaging in World Music Day, and it sounds like Henry was having a whale of a time. And congratulations to Finley CH for resilience, for an awesome display of resilience in beating the beep test. Beating the beep test. Oh my goodness, Finley, what a fantastic achievement. Well done. Let's give Year 3 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 3. Okay, off to Year 4 now. So we have a certificate. Oh, I've got a message here. There we go. For teachers, they need to head down to the Key Stage 1 hall. Well done to Florrie for demonstrating her ability to explore and adventure on the school trip. And it sounds like Year 4 loved their school trip last week. Sounds like they had an amazing time to Rochester. So well done to Florrie, thoroughly engaged by it. Archie G for demonstrating a positive attitude to learning during lessons. Keep it up, Archie. And well done to Oliver C for demonstrating confidence and resilience in maths recently. So well done to Oliver. Keep it up. And a certificate here for the whole of Holly class for demonstrating the school values on our school trip. There were credits to the school. Well done, Holly class. And I know Mrs. Jinks commented on how well the children in Year 4 behaved last week, so clearly demonstrating excellence in their behaviour. Let's give Year 4 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 4. Okay, so we have a certificate here for Ella in Chestnut for working hard to improve across all subjects. Well done, Ella. And one here from for Stanley for working hard to improve his handwriting. Well done to Stanley. Now, at the moment, children, I think Miss Hodder hasn't been able to get her certificates to me. So we will make sure that Olive class find out very shortly as to who's got the certificates this week. So let's give Chestnut class a huge round of applause. Well done. And off to year 6. We have Oscar B for demonstrating excellence and adventure in his comedic portrayal of a member of staff. And I can't wait to see this. This is for the production. Very excited. A fantastic achievement to Emily B for demonstrating excellence and resilience in her learning of her lines for the production. So year 6 are in full swing and they're recording their production this week, which is very exciting. A big well done to Lily for giving amazing performances when practicing the year 6 production. And well done to Olivia for showing excellence in her dedication to learning her lines. I think Olivia's got quite a few lines and she's trying really, really hard to learn them all. So well done, Olivia. Let's give year 6 a huge round of applause. Fantastic, children. Okay, tidiest classroom this week. The tidiest classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll. Stop. Elm class. Well done to Elm class. Tidiest classroom this week. And the tidiest classrooms in the junior school go to, drum roll. Stop. Year 5. Keep it up, year 5. Really, really pleasing, having a wonderful time at the moment. So well done. Okay, I'm going to read out some certificates now that Tom has written, because last week Tom was busy working with various classes to practice what's called a bleep test, to see how far they can run in a certain amount of time, and to see if they can beat the bleeps. And it's a part of our PFT competition, so the children are going to be facing the children across all of the primary first trusts, so May Place, Wainscott, Wayfield and so on. And one of the tasks of the competition was to complete the bleep test. And Tom wanted me to recognise some children who did really, really well last week and demonstrated resilience in completing the bleep test, so scoring level 22, which is quite a phenomenal achievement. So well done to Dylan D, to Stanley C, to Mason D, and to Tammy G. Quite amazing, children. Well done. Really, really proud of you. That is no mean feat to beat the bleep test. Okay, so best attendance awards this week. Slightly different this week because Ollie, unfortunately, is running a little bit late today, so we haven't been able to get the percentages. So I will ask Ollie to have a look at which class has the best attendance across the whole school, to give the golden certificates out. So the best attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Elm class. Well done to Elm class. And the best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, White Beam class. So White Beam and Elm just got to wait a little bit longer to find out which class is given the golden envelopes this week. It serves me right for moving celebration assembly to first thing Monday morning. We'll hopefully find out very shortly as to which class has the free time this week. We'll have to wait and see if White Beam win it 2 weeks in a row. So we have some bronze certificates here for children that have achieved 100 Cyrils. So well done to Lancelot and to Harley and to Tristan and to Miggy and to Jessica and Eva in Oak class. So all the other children were Olive. So big well done to those children. So the golden book today, let me have a look, see how many children we've got to read out this week. So we have a few. So well done to Mia C, Poppy S and One Day A for superb use of the iPads to edit images. Congratulations to Eva S for some amazing writing about Dear Zoo, all on her own. Well done to Soam J for great writing about the Iron Man. Well done to Tommy W, an excellent recount of the Year 4 trip to Rochester. And last but not least, well done to Bella B for the best piece of Year 4 writing I've seen in a long time. A great recount. Sounds like some brilliant work came out of the trip last week in Year 4, so well done, children. And finally, we have some children who have achieved 100 home reads. And this week we've got a special guest because apparently Cyril the squirrel has also achieved 100 home reads. So we need to make sure Cyril's certificate goes on the display in the corridor up near the music room. So well done to Cyril. But also we need to say a huge well done to Addison, to Fenwick. Oh, if I can pick it up. To Isla and Oscar, who have all achieved 100 home reads. So keep it up, children, really, really impressive. And we do have a couple more weeks of Celebration Assembly to go. And I'd love to see my tree fall. It's nearly there, it's not far off. So have a wonderful week, children. I know it's very strange having a Celebration Assembly first thing Monday morning, but hopefully it's woken you all up. And I will see you when I do my wander round later on today. See you later. Bye.